can't drive them yet.
Huh?
Why? First, we need to buckle our seatbelts.
Oh, we always need to
You're
buckle our
right,
seatbelts
Kathy.
in the car.
Everybody who rides in a car needs to wear a seatbelt.
Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Drive safely now.
Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Oh, my goodness, what a traffic jam. Beep, 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 beep. Driving to Grandma's.
I buckle my belt.
Driving to Grandma's.
I buckle my belt.
Driving to
I
Grandma's.
buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Oh, it was
That
great.
was really fun, Barney.
Hey, can we play the stoplight game next?
Yeah, let's do that. How do we play?
I'll show you.
But I'm big enough to buckle my own seatbelt, and I do it every single time.
Well, that's great. Safety seats and seatbelts are like a special hug that holds you tight to keep you safe. Let's all practice buckling our seatbelts.
Yeah.
Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Oh, come on. I want you to pretend to buckle your seatbelt too. It's very, very important. Pull it across, then click it in place. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Let's drive to Grandma's.
Driving to Grandma's, I buckle my belt. Driving to Grandma's, I buckle my belt. Driving to Grandma's, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. That's the idea. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Oh, we did it. Very good.
That was fun.
Like this.
Hey, Barney. Hey, baby.
Oh, well, hi, everyone.
DJ, is this your race car?
Yeah, where'd you find it?
It found us. It zoomed over the bridge.